The 2007 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, center armrest, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.